Number 1. Talking to AI. With only 27 videos, this channel has gained 13,000 subscribers and over 2 million views. Estimating an RPM of $2, this channel has made around $4.6 thousand from ads. This channel uploads simple AI interaction entertainment videos, basically conversations with ChatGPT and similar AI tools for fun. Creating videos like this is super easy. You can pick your own AI interaction style and create videos using simple visuals and basic editing. There's another channel called AI Convo that makes similar videos. With only 22 videos, it has gained 54,000 subscribers. This proves that this topic is working and is definitely worth exploring in 2026 and beyond. Number 2. Faceless Moral Stories. This channel shares simple, inspirational stories with deep meaning. With 40 videos, it has gained 95,000 subscribers. If we estimate an RPM of $3, it has earned around $7.6 thousand from ads. Making similar videos is easy. You can find engaging moral stories online or in books and turn them into scripts using ChatGPT. Then generate visuals with AI and combine everything to create a video. You can also focus on religion-specific content like the channel Dream Sparks. By uploading motivational, spiritual, and self-improvement videos, it has gained 139,000 subscribers. This proves that faceless, moral, and inspirational content works really well. Number 3. Movie reviews. If you love movies, this niche is perfect for you. Think Story is a YouTube channel that focuses on breakdowns, deep dives, and theories about popular films and TV shows. With almost 800,000 subscribers, it shows that this type of content works very well. One challenge of this niche is that you need deep knowledge about movies. The content is mostly analytical and explanatory, helping viewers understand complicated endings, hidden meanings, and details they might have missed. You also need to stay updated with the latest movie trends. The estimated RPM is around $3 to $4, so if we calculate the revenue of Think Story, they've made over $900,000 in total. There's another channel making movie review videos in a funny and humorous way. It mainly focuses on bad, strange, or critically panned films. They've gained 258,000 subscribers and over 25 million views with just 105 videos. This shows that even comedy-style movie reviews can attract a large audience. Number 4. Quizzes. You must have watched these types of quiz videos at least once. These videos are super engaging for all types of audiences, and they work very well. QuizPlug is a channel that has gained 242,000 subscribers and 75 million plus views with just 95 videos. They upload different formats such as Guess the Logo, Would You Rather, and Find the Odd One. Creating these types of videos is super easy. You can find images of logos, puzzles, and icons on the internet, then use AI voiceover and nice background music to create these kinds of videos. There's another channel that focuses only on aesthetic personality quizzes. Even though it started just 2 months ago, it has already gained 13,000 subscribers. Estimating an RPM of $2, this channel has made around $4,000. This is an evergreen niche, so the videos you make today will continue getting views even 5 years later. If you don't have any skills and really want to make money in 2026, this niche is a great option. I've shown you an example of only 2 channels in this niche, but there are thousands of channels out there making similar videos and earning massive income. Number 5. Anime self-improvement. Incognito CEO is the best example in this niche. With only 15 videos, it has gained over 200,000 subscribers. That alone shows how powerful and high demand this niche is. Self-help content always performs well, and this category is evergreen. These videos can reach millions and keep getting views over time. You can take any self-help topic, use ChatGPT to write a summary or script, add anime clips, do basic editing, and you have a complete video. Value Raw is another channel doing the same and has gained 125,000 subscribers with 16 videos. If you are serious about growing on YouTube as well as helping others, this is a perfect niche for you. Number 6, last but not the least, scene analysis. Here's a channel that makes videos about one of the most popular shows ever, Breaking Bad. With just 12 videos, it has reached over 1 million views, even though it started only 4 months ago. There's another channel that explains the scenes of The Matrix and is making more than a normal 9-to-5 job. It has gained 16,000 subscribers and over 2.5 million views with only 17 videos. Taking an RPM of $5, this channel has made around $12,000 from ads alone. You can also earn from sponsorships, affiliate links to books, films, and more. There are so many shows out there. Pick a show you like and start making scene analysis videos based on it. The downside of this niche is that there is a risk of copyright, so make sure not to use the original sound of the clips you show, and provide credits in the description if possible. If you mix good storytelling with smart analysis, this niche can help you grow fast in 2026.